In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background in Runway ML. By the end, you'll know how to cleanly remove a background and replace it with a generated scene that elevates your subject, whether you're working with an image or a video. First, remove the background. Start by bringing your subject into Runway and isolating it so only the person or object remains. Use the background removal tool to create a clean cutout. This is the foundation of a convincing composite. Take a moment to refine the mask around tricky areas like hair, edges, and any fine details. If you see halos or leftover spill from the original scene, gently refine until the edges look natural. A quick preview against a neutral color can help you spot imperfections. The goal here is a crisp subject layer with transparency behind it, ready to sit in front of anything you create next. Investing a bit of time in this step ensures the final result looks polished rather than pasted. Next, add a new background. Select Generate Video on Image depending on your project. If you're working with a still, choose Image. If you want a moving backdrop to match your footage, choose Video. Enter a clear, descriptive prompt so Runway understands the look you're going for. For example, a soft cinematic studio background with subtle lighting, neutral colors. Think about mood, lighting direction, color palette, and depth. Phrases like warm key light, shallow depth of field, or minimalist set can guide the model toward a style that complements your subject. Generate your background, and once it's ready, place it under the subject layer. Layer order matters. The background should sit beneath and the subject should stay on top. Now make it feel cohesive. Scale and position the background so the horizon and perspective make sense with your subject. If the subject was shot with soft focus in the background, consider a gentle blur on the generated scene to match. If your subject is brightly lit, nudge the background brighter. If they're moody and low contrast, keep the background subdued. Subtle alignment of lighting and color goes a long way. This workflow is best for creative scenes, giving you endless flexibility to reimagine environments without reshoots. Iterate on prompts, try a few variations, and pick the one that best supports your story. With a clean cutout and a thoughtfully generated backdrop, your subject will feel right at home in its new scene.